there is a cells are very active. These active cells are more active and will be create the relationship highly.
Even at a distance thing, it works.
Yeah, if they apply in 21 days.
Okay, sir.
If
Thank
they
you.
have the
Thank
one
you.
month, if they have 1 month leave, apply this 21 days morning and evening.
Oh, I understood, sir. I understood. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. I can't able to share that video. And not able to send through WhatsApp also.
Participants, if you have any more questions, please do ask or put your questions in the chat box. As of now, I don't see any.
I am given my phone number also. If any participant want to ask personally, they can. My mobile number is available 24/7.
That's awesome, sir. You're too good.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. This number have the WhatsApp also.
We don't have more questions
Yes,
coming
yes.
up in the chat
I
box.
think that able to see the video, madam.
Yes, sir. We can
Yes.
see.
Okay. Okay. This is related to communication. So rejection is more painful. If you are beating with one stick, and if you are comparing with rejection is more painful. Second thing is, don't fight in front of kids. That will be affect their next generation also. After we are given the message, after the marriage, you start to fighting with your wife. This is the message we are providing. So don't fight in front of their kids. Don't use abusive words, because kids are creating a model of their parents. Avoid this kind of activities. So we can create the harmony in our family. Otherwise, it will be not a family. It will be detached. How to maintain harmony in old age couple having young children? Now, we can not able to see the old age people. They will be in the old age home only.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
My question, actually, what I was trying to ask is,
Ah.
nowadays I see some couples who are 54 years old, and by artificial they have babies. So they are parent at 54 years.
Okay.
After 50 years. So
Okay.
they are becoming parent after 50 years.
Okay.
And the children, I mean the kid,
Hmm.
for some, when it is young, they obey their parents. After they become teenage or something, they literally don't respect them, or they take charge of the not
Family.
the charge in the right
Yeah.
sense.
Okay.
Yeah, they take over controlling the older couple. So how can this be handled?
First, if the kids have any suppressed emotions among these families, first remove that emotions.
Okay.
For that, we can apply empty chair method. You know empty chair method, how to perform?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just take 2 chairs and not one the person's name, and just hold your, take 10 deep breaths, drink little water, and close your eyes and imagine that situation and start using bad words. After
Yes.
all the emotion are ventilating, just change your seat and imagine that person, and look your opposite where you are sitting, and give the forgiveness. This is empty chair method. If you are applying this method, we can remove all the emotions. The next thing is, do communicate together. That sit together and with eye contact. Maintain the eye contact. Apply the head massage. This head massage not only kids, we can apply to anyone. If husband and wife have the problem, we can apply the head massage to them also. Second thing is, if this old couple have any disturbance, suppose maybe they will be living, they will be sleeping 2 rooms, separate rooms. If they sleep at one room, their body it will be okay. Lot of discomfort will be, they will express to getting the attention. So if they sleep together in a bedroom, there is this kind of problem be resolved.
Okay.
And if these couples, same way, and if they sleep in one bed, maybe they will be sleep 2 beds between some gap, and reduce that gap and sleep 1 bed. Again, the body discomfort will be reduced. Sometimes they can apply the oil massage also. Then they will be very happy. Same way they can apply to the head massage to their kids also.
Okay.
With or without oil.
Okay.
And the second thing is, now observe some methods that if mother don't allow the children to bath together. Some mothers are allowed their children to bath together.
Together with the mother, you mean?
Yeah. And if mother applying the bath, these children, don't allow with naked. Either they want to wear towel or undergarment.
Okay.
So if the actually in mother image it is a son or son, but in son's image it is a mother as well as a lady. We can get a lot of bad information from the society. If any tickling feeling occur, then it will be create the problem. Either they will be guilty or other some activities.
Even for
You-
very young children.
Yeah. What is the age of one father in a? What is the age? Minimum age of one father. You know,
20,
11 years.
11 years. Yes, yes, 11
And
years.
who is the mother? He given the sleeping pills to the mother and have the physical relationship with the mother. She will become pregnant. Husband was in outside. So a lot of new terms are received the mother, and they enter the after the stomach pain. They consult with the one doctor. Doctor advises for the pregnancy test, and the doctor will be given the congratulations. But father, husband is not there because lot of through media, lot of information getting that is wrong information. Second thing is now all the children are having the online classes. If the parents are not monitoring properly, they are not going the online classes. They are under some other classes. I received one case, one fifth standard boy have the class online classes. Subject was Hindi. When the class going on, he posted one link in the chat box. First principal opened the link, it was a prawn video. And other parents and some teachers also. Then they will be from school, they call me. I just ask which subject you are on that time you are given the training. They will be Hindi. If you are providing the biology, it's okay. Teacher will be given the theory, this student will given the practical side. That is a comedy. So if we are not noticing properly, it will be create a lot of problems. And sometimes they will be enter with some game that also create the problem. So now not possible to watch if parents are working. Maybe grandparents are there, they can't able to identify if the children have the real contact class or fake contact class. Second thing is, next thing, if they have the food, they are still sitting in front of the TV, television or screen. Don't allow the eating in front of screen.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So I have
Okay.
I have one more question, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Excuse
Yeah.
me,
Yes.
Jasmine, sorry for stopping you here. I think it's manage time and to be
Okay.
on pace. Sir
Ma'am,
is
you
very
can
much
just
happy to answer
call
your
me.
questions.
Can you, if possible, just call me personal.
Sure,
Yeah.
sir. Sure, sir. Thank you for
Please
the
use this number.
opportunity.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity. It was a nice session. Thank you, sir.
I given my number again. Just to call me.
Yes, sir, your number is there in the chat box and they can send their queries to mywebinarfeedback@gmail.com. If there is any question, we will redirect to you to get your answer, sir. Thank you so much
Okay. Thank
for
you.
your patient discussion and answering, sir. Now I would member Ms. Akshay Lakshmi to give her vote of thanks.
Thank you for the opportunity, Chandra ma'am. I'm very glad to answer because he had always been a very good resource person who had been very quality sessions for us. And today, a very beautiful session, a lot of important a lot of case work. This is a lot of simple. It was a session personally also, and I would like to place my sincere thanks to you on behalf of Dr. Kumar, the American College, Madurai, Mental Health. Also, Additional and Psychological Research Center, Madurai, and Psycho-Oncological Association, Turkey. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we wish you join us for more sessions. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.